Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset Krups coffee machine. So I will be showing you at least three methods. So method one, you need to do the basic or most Krups automatic machines. First, you need to turn off the machine and unplug it from the power source. You have to wait at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that, you need to plug the machine back in. 4. Press and hold the clean and steam buttons together and wait for about 3 to 5 seconds. Then release the buttons when the display or indicator lights blink. Method 2, factory reset. So you just have to go to the main menu using the rotary knob or touchscreen. Scroll to settings, go to factory reset, sometimes called restore default settings, it depends on the model, and then confirm with OK. The machine will restart with the original settings. And then lastly, method 3, Nespresso by Krups. Just turn the machine off, press and hold the button while turning the machine back on. Keep holding until the lights blink quickly, then release. This restores factory settings. So if you're trying to clear an error like fill water tank or the scale, a reset may not be enough. You might need to descale, clean the brew unit, or empty the coffee grounds container before the error clears. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.